Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you're into close. Get out, there we go, that might do. And you can see a lot of paint around here. I just did a pour and it's so pretty. I'm just going to leave it till it dries because I'm pretty sure it'll make very nice jewellery. I have 2 cups. First up I have a 12 by 16 or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, which I did a pour last week on, and whilst I don't mind it, it's extremely dark, and so I've decided that I'm going to go over the top of it. So what I'm going to have is 2 dirty cups, and then I'm going to flip them and bring them around, and there's no silicone in any of the colours, but I have this, and it is 3-in-1 silicone spray lubricant. And who made it? I don't know who made it. There you are, that's it. So I'm just going to, it smells rather badly, but I'm going to just not have both cups the same. Some of the colours will be the same in there. Pouring it in from a height. Just, that should come yellow. That's all the yellow I have left. So that cup can go and get washed. And then I have a bit of blue. That's a darker blue. I have a lighter blue. And I have some very pretty red, bright red. I'm going to put the red in both. Different amounts as well, so it all helps to change the pattern and what have you. And I can't remember, this blue can go in there. Bit more now, I may as well just use them up on, I think. I started off with the cups having half a cup of white, and so I'm hoping I'll get a very pretty painting, and I'm thinking that maybe I should try one the same but using black rather than the white. That might be pretty too. And a bit of black in each. Not a lot, don't need it to take over. And I think I've got plenty of paint in there. So we'll soon see. And a little squirt on the top. I wish they'd put perfume in those spray cans. The fly spray's nearly as bad. Smells bad. Okay. Dipping. Right. Oh, just give it a second. This is, oh, look at this. Ooh, it's exciting. That's a pretty one. Almost the same, there you go. Oh no, I've got this. Okay, so just put those there to dribble out. My goodness, I'm just going to let that do its thing. See where it's going. Look at the cells. I like that silicone spray. This is really, really pretty. This is even prettier than the previous one I did like this. Can you go? Over you go. All right. And back. got one more corner. These corners need a bit of a fix-up, little top-up. Don't want to tip too much of the paint off because I haven't checked the pattern out. Don't like that black bit much. Sort that out in a minute. And I really like this. Missed a bit there. Yeah, whoops, missed that whole corner there. Oh, we just come along like this because I don't know that I want to lose those colours. Right. Whew. Now I want this and a little bit of that to go. I think I might have a bit too much paint. What was my first clue? Who can go off? Probably a bit this way. And then a bit this way. And then bring the colours over to that corner, I think. Now we're looking at something that's really pretty. Okay, how am I getting that? Thought I asked that to go away. Alright, what I'm going to do is wash my hands off, and then I'm going to come back and torch it and just see what we have. That is really pretty. And the colours have mixed in with the white to make different shades, so I never put any pink in. There's rather a lot of pink, and the blue with the red has made into purples and mauves, so it's all, well, there's even a bit of orange there. The cells everywhere but in the centre. Hopefully they'll grow, the ones that are there. That's really different. Whoa, okay, so I'm going to bring you down to have a look and see what you think. I think this one's really good. I have rather a large canvas inside. I might do the shopping tomorrow and buy some extra paint and do this technique on a big canvas. But as you can see, that is so pretty. And there's cells, there's lace. The painting's made its own colours. Beautiful lines, and yeah, this one's really pretty. So the recipes for the paint and the pouring medium you'll find down below under Show More. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us over there. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, and click the little bell. You'll be notified then when I make the next videos when I put them up. Thank you very much for watching. I so hope you've enjoyed this. Please give it the thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.